Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another really excited DIY video. I'm taking a part of a challenge that is hosted by Heidi Sonboul. This lady actually has two channels, Heidi Sonboul DIY and Heidi Sonboul Home. I already participated in one of her challenges and I loved it. So when she announced this one, I jumped on it and was like, I am going to participate. I love it. If you have not met Heidi, I strongly recommend you check out her channels. I will list both of them in the description below. And her channels, the DIY one is obviously everything about the DIY, crafts, anything you can think of, trash to treasure, look for less. She does all this amazing. She gives me so much inspiration. There's a lot of ladies that I met that are just amazing, and sometimes I'm watching and they're doing some little tricks that I'm like, oh wow, that's so neat. So anyway, that's what we will be doing today. And the theme of this challenge is red, white, and blue. It's not, she said it's not related to a 4th of July. We can just post because we love America, which I will be more than happy to make a couple of crafts for that because I was looking forward to it. So this is the DIY challenge with Heidi Sonboul, and I will be participating in it. And if you would like to see what I have made it, please continue watching. Also, don't forget, if you liked my video at the end and want to see more video like that, or want to see who else participated, the playlist will be linked in the description below. You're welcome to go there, click, and continue watching on all the DIYers or crafters or whatever, just lovely ladies that decided to participate in this challenge. So that is all the information. Now let's get on with our DIY. Okay, for project number 1, we need 7 of big popsicle sticks, I guess. I don't know what you call them. I picked them up a long time at the Walmart and have never used them, but this would be perfect for this project. And I got 6 of the medium size. So then we'll need a white, a red, and a blue paint, and of course the glue gun to secure our project. So we're gonna line them up and use the medium sticks to secure our flag. So I'm gonna use the ruler to make sure it's even. Kind of, I guess. All right, next part, it's all glued, all good. I marked where I want to make a section for the part of the flag. So now I'm gonna start painting. And first I will use the red, and you know how it goes. So Okay, so now we're gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna involve my son because I want his handprint in white right in this area. Okay, so this is dry, perfect now. So I'm gonna be using my son's hand because I want his handprint in here, and then we're gonna gently kind of place it right here
Like that.
and hopefully that will work. So let's try it. All right, for this next project, we need just a plain. I got it at the Walmart. I used it for one of my other projects. I got 3. I had 1 left, and I think it was like $3, so I really like it. So I made my own stencils for the stars, which is, I divided it. I don't know if you could see it with the pencil because I kind of want, this is where they will be, and on the middle I kind of want to make a sign. So I'm gonna draw a line with about 1.5 inch on this side and 1.5 inch. Let me show you closer. Let's do this better. 1.5 inch here and 1.5 inch here, and I'm gonna draw a line for it. That could be my, that would be my red ones. Okay, so this is completely dry now. This is what it looks like. I think it's pretty cool. And now I'm gonna use my stencils to do my stars. And I want them kind of in a random. So the big one definitely here. So I'm gonna just use my paint, white paint, and dab over the stencil. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed the challenge. I thought it was an amazing. I love how all of this turned out. And as you've seen, I used a little nail, and this was from one of the picture hanging frames. So because I kind of wanted to take it out later when I don't need it. So that was my creation that I made, the project number 1, or whatever order it will be going. And this one is going to be real dear to me because my helper was my son. This is his little handprint. So I thought it was cute to involve him in something like that. So I really enjoyed doing this challenge. So thank you so much, Heidi, for hosting this monthly DIY challenge. I really enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed my video, there's a playlist going with lots of more people participating. All of them are amazing crafters and DIYers. Everything is linked in the description below. Please click on and continue watching. You might discover some really cool inspiration or something that you might like to recreate. So I love watching all of their videos. Anyway, that was all for today. Can't wait what will be in the next month. This is something that is on my calendar and I will be participating. Heidi come up with some really amazing challenges, and I definitely challenge myself in a couple of them. So anyway, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thanks so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next DIY craft video real soon. Bye.